Hello friends, welcome back to Newton's Club. In this episode, we are diving into the world of Microsoft Excel, a crucial tool for virtually every blue collar role across industries. Excel enables us to perform complex mathematical operations on large datasets, empowering us to make informed decisions based on the results. To guide our journey, we have divided today's discussion into two parts. Firstly, we'll explore some basic terminology in Microsoft Excel, followed by a hands-on session on data entry. Let's start with understanding the fundamental nomenclature and structure of Excel. As I open a new Excel file, you'll notice the interface. We have a blank workbook and various templates. For this tutorial, we'll begin with a blank workbook. Upon opening the new blank workbook, you will find the interface consistent across most Excel versions with minor differences. So now let's divide the screen into two sections. The top toolbar housing all the tools and bottom section where data entry and analysis takes place. Starting with the toolbar, we have tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. And each tab contains a ribbon below it with specific functions. For example, Home tab has groups like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. Now, shifting focus to the bottom section where data entry occurs. The vertical sections labeled A, B, C, D, E, and etc. are called as columns, and the horizontal sections labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. are called as rows. Each intersection of a column and row form a cell. For instance, the cell at the intersection of column C and row 3 is referred to as C3. Additionally, the selection of multiple cells forms a range, represented by the cell addresses of first and last cell selected. For example, range might be C3 to I13, something like this. Now the entire interface comprising the toolbar and data entry section is referred to as workbook. Each workbook has a name with the default being book 1 and consists sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and so on and so forth. Users can add and rename sheets as needed. Like I can add a sheet here and also rename by clicking and renaming here something like data. So now that we have covered essential Excel terminology, let's proceed to the next section, data entry. Data entry is straightforward. Simply use your keyboard to input letters, numbers or symbols into the cells. If I want to type something like Newton, I will just use my keyboard and type Newton. I can also enter the numbers as well as some symbols. And to navigate within Excel without a mouse, use the arrow keys, right, left, bottom and top. Additionally, the scroll bars on the right and the bottom allows for vertical and horizontal movement within the Excel. The zoom slider at the bottom right corner enables users to adjust the zoom level for better visibility. Like we click on the plus sign, we can zoom in, and if we click on the minus sign, we can zoom out. So friends, with this understanding of basic nomenclature and data entry, let's wrap up for now. In our next video, we'll explore some basic functions with some examples. Have a great day and thank you for joining us.